For the past 6 years I've been editing for creators, getting millions of views, and everything was done in this exact room. And while having fancy lighting or a good monitor doesn't necessarily make you a better editor, I think it matters, because a setup can either be a tool that helps you or your biggest enemy that just gets in the way of you creating the best videos possible. So with that out of the way, let's get started. So the computer is the base of everything, and it's just a M4 MacBook Pro, and it's amazing so far. We also have a computer there. It has like RTX 490 that my brother uses, but this thing is, I don't know how, but it's smoother. Like Apple optimized for Premiere much better than Windows, which is shit. For Blender and stuff like that, Windows is much better. Next, second most important thing in my opinion, the desk. It's a standing desk from Secret Lab, make it like this whenever I wanna stand up. Because next, this chair is pretty shitty, chair that every single YouTuber has, but it just hurts my back. It's like 500 euros, so I'm stuck with it now. Next most important thing would be the monitor. It's like 4K 165 Hz, which is amazing. And what is cool with this desk is the monitor arms that are attached to this, so you're able to move it however you want basically. And yeah, that's very useful. Next most important thing would be the keyboard and mouse. The mouse is a basic MX Master 4, which is pretty good. And what I like about it, on the old one, I have it here, the texture is like, I don't know how to explain, like the material is, it just gets fucked after a while. But on this one, it seems like it's not. So this would be the positive, and it has like some haptic feedback, but I don't ever use this. So yeah, it's a nice mouse. And next, keyboard, sounds pretty nice. Nothing extraordinary, but I think for the price is very worth it, and just makes the typing and editing much more satisfying. And this knob is actually really useful, this knob. Speakers, some Kef speakers that they sound incredible. And headphones, again, everybody has these, like they are good, nothing amazing I would say, just cool headphones. And maybe last thing, let me rapid fire my recording setup. Just a pod mic that's attached to an arm, and it's cool that I just drag it here, record any voiceover. I have this DJI mic as well, which I use sometimes. And camera, I will put my camera here because it's actually recording right now. And yeah, that's about it. This is my recording setup. I would say in importance, it's like computer, of course. If you have a shit one, just buy the best one you can. I would get one thing with this one, I would get like 2 terabytes of storage instead of 1, because it seems a bit low. But I have this SSD that has like 4 terabytes, but it would be nice to use this, so I don't have to carry dongles and shit around me. And yeah, after that is the desk chair. I would probably replace this, but I don't want to spend money on it, so my bag will do. And yeah, all the other ones are just nice to haves, but those are the most important. Hope this gear breakdown helps. You don't need this, but this is what I know makes everything much more enjoyable and easier, I would say. I hope you like this breakdown. Let me know what you think about it, and if you want to see another cool video, just check this one out. It's really great. Go watch it.